All right, good morning, guys. So before we start today's session, I'd like to quickly take you through the current openings phase. Okay. So this is the mail that I received, Naukri alerts email that I received, like a couple of hours before. Okay. I hope everyone is able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Ben HR Consultants, Bangalore, having some openings for 2 to 4 years. Wonderful thing, right? So usually for other technologies, you will not have openings for 2 years. You'll have only 4+, 3+ like that, right? But good thing with performance testing is you have for 2 to 4 years, openings for 2 to 4 years as well. There are 30 openings. Okay. There are 30 openings. Applicants are 336. But like if it is face-to-face round, not even 30 people will go. Okay. Even 30 people also won't attend if it is face-to-face. Right? Agree? There are 30 openings, right? So which is a very good count. So maybe they are recruiting for some Infosys or CDS or something else, right? And don't miss this, openings, even though it is not a direct payroll of Infosys or CDS. You shouldn't miss this because these guys will not have strict PF history check or BGC, BGV, strict BGV, etc. Even if your BGC comes red, right, they will accept it because as far as they don't have any escalation from the client side, they will accept it. And if you see simple JD, 2 to 5 years experience in JMeter, LoadRunner, performance testing of complex architectures, Linux scripting. Basically, you should know some Linux commands, right? Which I always say in the training, right? And Dynatrace are app dynamics and cloud-based tools like Docker, Kubernetes, REST APIs, banking preferred. Okay. There will not be much difference between regular projects and banking projects. There won't be much difference except that you need to access the application through. If you want to access a banking application, you need to set some proxy setting in your browser, and there will be some differences, but not much. Clear, guys? So those who are already like previously, if you worked on any of these tools, any one of these tools like either LoadRunner or JMeter, you can apply. Okay. There are some people who are already having some experience on one tool and joined for the other tool with us, right? So those guys can apply. Banking project and mostly it will be LoadRunner. It may be LoadRunner project. Okay. And now next one is Radiant Systems Hybrid. Of course, this is for 5 to 8 years of experience. Only one opening. That's fine. And experience with Neoload and performance testing, understanding of NFRs. What is NFR?
Non-functional.
Non-functional requirements. So what are the non-functional requirements that you collect in the planning phase?
Like
requirement gathering.
How many
requirement gathering, plan, design,
test plan and
Application architecture. No, test plan will be prepared once you collect the requirements, then you will prepare a test plan document, right? May I ask, the question here is, what requirements do you collect? What are the different non-functional requirements that you collect from your client before starting the project? Or in the planning phase, we do this NFR, right? Did we complete NFR or no?
no,
Okay. So I'll share those recorded sessions. You want me to share those recorded sessions, or I'll take a live training. Okay, not an issue. We'll do one thing then. So like in today's session or tomorrow's session, we'll discuss that. Okay. And then prepare and execute scripts, prepare test reports, and interact with the clients. Very simple, JD, isn't it? And then Gemini solutions. It seems I'm seeing openings from couple of weeks in this particular company, Gemini Solutions. Right? This is 3 to 8 guys, okay, not 38. Okay, this should be 3 to 8. There is a typo here, and their requirement is LoadRunner, right? And only LoadRunner. Yes, there seems like their requirement is only for LoadRunner, not JMeter. Let me check. The requirement is only on LoadRunner. Okay, but this is JMeter opening, Fidelity International, and few more. Let me show you few more. Vesco, it seems, performance tester, LoadRunner, JMeter, Dynatrace, Growell Softtech. That's the company name. 2 to 7 years again. These are openings for 2 to 7 years. They are having openings for 2 to 7 years. And of course, here they mentioned 4 to 8. You can still apply. You can still apply. Like if your CV is shortlisted, you can give a try. They are asking both LoadRunner and JMeter, right? Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, right? Then senior performance tester, Prolifix Corporation. Again, even I am seeing openings in this company also, organization also from many weeks. For 4 to 8 years of experience, JMeter and LoadRunner. If you see all the JDs, like if you see most of the JDs will mention LoadRunner or JMeter, or they will expect both LoadRunner and JMeter, isn't it? Rare Technologies. This is another company where I am seeing a lot of openings from couple of weeks. This Fusion Plus Solutions, Hyderabad, for 3 to 6 years experience, and then Rare Technologies, 2 to 12 years. Docker, Kubernetes, RESTful services, JSON APIs, Dynatrace or App Dynamics, JMeter and LoadRunner. Primary tool requirement is LoadRunner and JMeter. Okay. So good thing is, like, we have openings for 2 years experience onwards in performance testing. And what is this one? I think this job has expired. Okay. Wipro having for 3 to 8 years of experience. Again, what is the tool? Primary tool. They did not mention tool, but they just mentioned, but it will be LoadRunner or JMeter only. Lead performance test engineer. Then Growell Softtech. Again, 2 to 7 years experience. Wonderful, right? So they're having, a lot of organizations are looking for 2 years experience as well, isn't it? And we are sharing a lot of openings on my Instagram page as well. If you are already having an Instagram account, then only please follow my page, guys. Otherwise, don't create an account, because I'll be sharing the openings in the WhatsApp group as well, in our batch WhatsApp group. Today morning I had shared some latest openings, right? So I had shared some openings in the WhatsApp group as well. This is your batch, right? Feb 2025 JMeter morning batch. And I had shared in other groups, other WhatsApp groups as well. Like some remote positions as well. Vista Applied Solutions group, it seems. This is having openings in, these are for remote positions, guys, by the way. Okay. So this Vista Applied Solutions group is having some openings for remote positions. You see here, remote and contractor. So JMeter is the main tool. So I'm sharing some openings, like in the batch WhatsApp group as well. So, but if you are anyone is having or following Instagram page already or having an account, if you are active on Instagram, then only follow our page. Otherwise, you can refer to the openings, because why I'm saying this is, again, Instagram is a big distractor, right? It is a big distractor. Uh, you will join for openings, but you may follow for openings, but you'll be carried away with the reels and all. So those who are not having Instagram account, you don't need to create an account for these openings now, because I will be sharing anyways in the WhatsApp group, in your batch WhatsApp group. All right. So Infosys is having a lot of openings. See, they are having around 100 openings. Infosys, we are continuously seeing that, they are having 100 openings. All right. And hiring for performance testing LoadRunner and JMeter with experience range 3 to 10 years. Mandatory skills, LoadRunner and JMeter. That's it. And 99 openings, and applicants are only 12. And you know why, right? Why there are very less applicants, you know that. Do you know that or no? Don't know. K6 is another performance testing tool. It is a developer friendly tool. It requires, JavaScript coding knowledge to work on K6. Okay. So these are the current openings, guys, for today. And if you click on view all recommendations, you will see a lot more. You'll see a lot more. By the way, Planet Testing is having a lot of openings. Planet Testing is a wonderful company, Australian-based company, I think. And they will conduct scripting contests. They will give you one script and they'll ask you to share your screen and complete the script. Okay. So, a lot of scrap will get eliminated there who are not good on scripting or, who cannot attend this face-to-face interviews, right? All those scrap guys will get eliminated. Competition will be very less here, right? Planet Testing, and there is another organization called Publicis Sapient. They conduct one MCQ test first. First, they conduct one MCQ test. Okay, by the way, we are having some openings for 1 to 4 years also. Wonderful. Wonderful, right? They're having some openings for 1 to 4 years as well for performance testers, test engineers. And even once you go to Naukri, right? When you see these, let's say, for example, you applied for this, and then, you have a lot of openings at the bottom, right? As well as on the right side also, right? Don't miss those. Are you with me, guys? So there are a lot of openings on right side that, jobs you might be interested in. And then if you scroll down also, there are a lot of openings. If you scroll down below each job posting in Naukri also, you see a lot of openings. Any queries, guys? And this month, till now, 2 people got offer letters and one already joined. Only 2 people this month, of course. Okay, but we are expecting, from next month onwards, from April onwards, market will be in full swing. We have, strong recovery signs as well as, strong indicators for that. So please, be prepared. Please gear up and please be prepared. Any queries? This is the one that I'm talking about, guys. Publicis Sapient. So they conduct first they conduct a MCQ test, and that will be easy. Those who attended our training and, those who gone through our assessments, they'll be uh, able to crack that, that written test easily. So it will be, it will be like half an hour test. But, please remember one thing. You should, you should not have anyone in the room. If it is online test, you should not have anyone in the room. Because, if they found someone or if they found, that even if they get suspect you, they will, they will not consider your profile for technical rounds. Okay. Even if they suspect that, suppose if when you are attempting the test, if you are reading out the questions, then they can suspect you that, you are asking someone and someone is helping you. So please be mindful of this when you are attempting their written test. Okay. When you are attempting their written test, please be mindful. You can clear it easily. Our students can clear it easily. Okay. That will cover LoadRunner, JMeter, all performance testing fundamentals first, and then LoadRunner and JMeter questions. So which can be cleared easily. So don't show your smartness over there. Don't speak out the question and don't read out the question when you are attempting this particular organization's written test. Okay. First they conduct one virtual online test, and then they will conduct technical interviews. Those who clear that online test will be invited for technical interviews. Clear, guys? Or any queries? Wonderful company. You will be able to clear exams easily. Those who attempted our written tests and all, particularly classroom guys, we had conducted written tests, right? For those who did not attempt that, or those who did not take that, I will conduct it next week, guys. Okay. Some people did not even did not take that yet, isn't it? Those who are attending offline. So Prem or Rajesh, I think you did not attempt that test, right? Mahesh and Sashikant attempted that test. MRT, right? and Sekhar also attempted it, but Sarath, Prem and Gopinath, I'll give you next week. Will you be prepared by that time, or you'll, for that MRT test on performance testing fundamentals?
Yes, sir.
Balakrishna also, right? Please be prepared for that written test next week.
Sure, sir.
And those who attempt that test, you will be able to easily, those who got above 70% or even 60%, you will be able to clear that MCQ easily. Okay. Many people, try to take some help and they fail only because of that. Right. So please remember this, publish is sapient and competition will be very less. Many people will get filtered out at the written test, written test itself. Okay. All right. Okay, let me stop the recording here. I want to upload this to my YouTube channel. So I'll stop it here and I'll resume the recording again.